Hey guys, this is Brandon O'Weiler with a mystery tackle box unboxing and a small Dixon Amazon unbagging. This month's box was the month of December. And that's my friend Spencer. Here's the bait card. First off, we got a Boyd Duckett series, square bill crankbait, 2.5. It shimmers in the light. This is worth $7.99. Here.
Have you done this?
It's 5. Dives 3 to 5 feet and weighs 5/8 of an ounce. Next is the brushless jig. Again, this one costs $7.99. This is the brushless jig by Freedom Tackle. I'll take this out. It's one of the free swinging wobble head jigs. And then very sharp hooks I just took myself. Nice long skirted, be a nice like crawl imitation green pumpkin. I think, what's this color? It's in 1/2 ounce. It's yeah, green pumpkin jig. Next up is the chunky shad by Reaction Strike. The Freedom Tackle brushless jig was worth $5, $4.99. This chunky shad by Reaction Strike is a 4-pack, goes for $4.66. Basically, it's a swing impact fat, Kai-Tech bait, swing impact fat, like knockoff. What color is that in?
It's like see-through.
Sexy shad.
This name.
Here, you can show them one. Show them.
Same thing, I would imagine.
Has a lot of sparkle. Next up on the bait card is the Rage Grub. $2.40 for a 4-pack. Basically, it's just your normal grub made by Rage Tail, so it has a thicker tail. Let me get one out of the pack. Here's the pack. This is a coffee scent with, it looks like a green pumpkin or a watermelon red flake. It comes like this. You just gotta pull apart the tail, and it's a very heavy tail. You could just rig this up on a little jig head. I'm gonna use this for baby bass and stuff. Next up is the Mustad Power Lock Plus Straight Keeper hooks. This is $6.50 for a 3-pack. So, get one out of the pack. Basically, or you can, with adjustable weights it has, you can push the weight forward, push on coons,
Shocker.
polarized, fit over sunglasses, sticker, and then your Dibble digest. Let me get into the Dick's Sporting Goods bag, and then we'll go to the Amazon. Overall, I got these 2 Livingston lures.
They make noise.
For $11. No, for one. They were $16 originally. They have them marked down to $5.60 or something like that, which is super cheap, so I had my dad buy me 2. This one is in blue chartreuse. I'll take it out of the pack. And the crankbait is in triple X shad. They each weigh 5/8 of an ounce. The crankbait dives to 10 feet. What's that one dive to?
Honestly, I don't know. 46.
And basically what you turn them on is you hold the bottom hook keeper, hold the top hook keeper. Let me try it on the...
This one you do two bottom and the top.
Yeah, you do both of them.
It also works as soon as you put it in water.
It doesn't want to turn on.
Here, let me try. I'm pretty good at getting these things to turn on. If I can get it out of the carpet.
Basically, there's three settings. EBS original, EBS crawl, EBS shad. I mean 4. And then there's EBS silent mode, which doesn't make a sound. Shad sounds like shad swimming real fast. And yeah, I got these because they were real cheap. And here's a good look at them.
Where's your pocket?
For $11. It's pretty cheap. With the Amazon unboxing, I know most of you haven't seen the live target bluegill. That's why I got it. I'll take it out of the pack. This hook, a very interesting fact is this bait was built around, well, the hook was built around the bait. The hook's specially made just for this bait. Sits on top, it's a little curved. Whoops, dropped it. Very soft. I was planning on just throwing it out and letting it sit. It may sound weird, but I threw out a dead, sun bluegill that was sitting out in the sun for a while, and he floated and actually got hit. So, yeah, this has been my mystery tackle box. And my quick Dixon bagging and my Amazon unboxing. So, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. This has been Brandon O'Eiler with my friend Spencer. See ya.